What is up, fellow Pyro Fanatics? It's Pimp Daddy 28 here. And today I'm going to show you guys a demo of a 200 gram cake called Nice Rack by Pyro Demon. 12 shots. And very interesting artwork here. I'm pretty sure this guy must have smoked something on the ground over here or something like that, and he obviously thought he was looking at something else. Anyways, the performance for this cake is as follows. We got silver palm tree with crackling, lemon with gold strobe, finale with red, green, and blue chrysanthemum. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy this demo, and let me know what you think. Come on. Nice.
You line these up.